Hello, I'm at the Mequon Nature Preserve. Thought I'd come and check it out. Never been here. Seems like some little ponds here. Seems nice. It's closed, of course, because middle of the week and it's still April. Maybe they have better hours in May. I don't know. I'm not convinced that people know how these little libraries are working. It is the most depleted little library I've ever seen. But this is cool. They've got a rain barrel, and the gutter is definitively dripping into the rain barrel from a sort of rain garden, looks like, on top of the roof. I don't know if that's picking up. I can see it, but it doesn't seem to be picking up on camera, strangely. You can kind of see it. Anyway, never been here, so I thought I would come and check it out today. See what's over here. Got more rain barrels. I like that. And looks like pets must be allowed because they have pet rules. So that's cool. I didn't bring my dog because I wasn't sure. What is this? More rain catching. Storm garden. Oh. So it's going to catch it and maybe filter through these rocks and then water it. Wow, this is pretty neat. And what's this over here? What is it? Bioretention cell and cistern. Improves water quality. Neat. Monarch Way Station. Wow. A little chilly out here. I don't know how the trails work, but allegedly they're hikeable. This doesn't look like the trail, but I'm going to check it out anyway. I mean, it's a trail, but it doesn't look like it goes anywhere but the building. Oh, you can see the rooftop garden better from here. That's pretty nifty. That's cool. This bench is a resting spot. Fantastic. The rest of these are not, but that's your resting spot. What else can I find? Signs of spring. Daffodils! Yay! Feed the monarchs. I love coming to new places. Finding out what they're doing out in the world. Some sort of a little amphitheater with like an altar or something. I don't even know what that is. Oh, I bet that just overlooks the fields and explains what they're doing. Hello, little chirpy bird. Chirp. So this is something different. We've got these posts talking about solar energy and power. Just some little posts. Got turbines. We've got a windmill here. I'm gonna go up slow. Just see the one turbine, but I guess that's enough. Pretty flat ground here. When I looked on All Trails, it called this Harvey's Woods, and I was like, oh, well, I've never been to Harvey's Woods. I wonder who Harvey is. I'm still wondering that. But this is where it led me. There's a sign over here. I'm wondering if it will tell me a little bit more about the trail itself. As of right now, I'm seeing lots of really good information about the land and baby trees and the monarchs. But no trail maps or anything. I mean, I have one, of course, from All Trails downloaded to my phone. Oh, that picture's funny. At first, from the angle, I thought it was a couple of gorillas, but I guess it's a person poop scooping with a dog. I don't know why it would be a couple of gorillas. It's just, that was the angle that I saw it from, I guess. Let's see. What does this sign say? It looks like there's some kind of a labyrinth over here or something. Maybe not. Maybe it's just the trees. The way I'm seeing them. Oh, here we go. A map. Mequon Preserve. I'll take a picture of the map. So, where's the "you are here"? Is there one? I guess we're kind of toward the bottom here. The education center is. That would be parking. And, oh, Harvey's Woods is up there in the back. So, I guess eventually I'll find some trees. It's relatively treesless first, so, you know, considering I came to a place that I thought was called Harvey's Woods. And over there is where I thought there was maybe a labyrinth. But that's not what this is, I guess. Grow low and keep the power flowing. Huh. So this nature center is a lot about power. Looks like you could ride a bike along this trail pretty much the whole way. But no motor vehicles, so there you go. You can hear the buzzing from the electric towers here. Buzzing along. All right, well, I'll let you know if I see anything interesting. So it says that there's an observation tower up here. I see something that from here looks like a gazebo, but it's probably the observation tower. Let's see if I can pick it up here. It's not picking up very well, but it's like right before you get to those trees. Yeah, I can't pick it up from here with the camera, but I can see it. It does sort of blend a little bit. So I wonder what it's observing. This isn't super hilly here, but there's enough hill to pick up my heart rate a little bit as I go, which I like. It's no 45 or better incline, so it's not gonna do the trick completely, but it's good. Oh yeah, that's definitely looking more towery as I get closer to it. Cool. I'll show it to you when I get there. I don't know if I'm gonna climb it, but I just might. It's like 1, 2, 4 stories high. From back there, it just looked like a little gazebo. So we're gonna see what it looks like from there. Here, I'll turn this around and show you. Okay, I think it's kind of picking up. I wonder what it's overlooking that's so interesting to be observed. Deer, maybe? Huh. Gonna go see. Sometimes you gotta turn around and look behind you in order to see that things are pretty there. It's a completely different view from the direction that I'm looking. Trying to block some of that wind sound. I don't know how bad that is on that end. Lots and lots of bird feeders out here. Into some swamp. I'm not really exactly sure how one gets over to this tower, but this is clearly not the way. So many choices. You can go left for Cole Park. I've come about half a mile, it looks like. If I go right, I'll get to both Paul's Pond and Harvey's Woods. And this big old observation tower. Funny thing about chasing views, it always means having to climb things. Well, it'll probably be worth it. Pretty swampy around here. I guess that's one of the things that we are looking at from up top of that tower. Looks like they've got those little telescopes up top where you can, I don't know, pay a quarter or something and look at stuff. I don't have a quarter, but I'm betting I'll be able to see stuff without it. I'm not sure what I need to see that up close anyway. Let's see. Almost to the top. Can you hear my knee popping? Whew. Oh, you don't need a quarter. Yay. Swamp. Fancy thing. Some trail. More swamp. Some sunshine. You can kind of see some Wisconsin hills back there. Let's see. Closer. Yes, those are hills. That must be Harvey's Woods. And let's see what the last person has been spying. Wonder if you can see it through there. Ooh, you can. Neat. Hold on. Try it. This is not as easy as it looks. I guess they've been bird watching. Neat. Just in case you're wondering, it is 64 steps to the top of that. So, 64 steps isn't bad. Didn't take but just a minute to do. I suppose if I was hiking all day, that would be different, but this is just a little place. This is nice. Put a little picnic area out here. I bet it's super skeetery right over here with all this water and woods right here. And in some cases, the water and the woods are the same thing. You can tell it over there, but it's kind of swamp woods. Still, this is nice. Somebody clearly had some kind of a motorized vehicle coming through here. But it doesn't look like the tires are very big, so maybe it was just a golf cart. Let's see about these woods. So this is Harvey's Woods. I had to hike, according to that sign, about 1K to get here from where All Trails had me park. Oh, but it's pretty in here. Sometimes nature makes me want to whisper. I hear a woodpecker playing around in here. So, most of this doesn't look very old. See? Swamp woods. Let's see what this guy says. Harvey's Woods. It's the vernal pond. March through July. What's it called the rest of the year? I have a feeling I'm going to want to go back the way I came, but this is pretty neat. I like trees that do this. They like 1 tree, 2 trees, 3 trees maybe, all come down and share a root system like that. It's pretty neat. Oh, little bitty birdie. Little bitty birdie, where'd you go? It's hard to see little bitty birdies when you're trying to pick them up on camera. In shadows, I can see it moving. Another sign down here. By the swamp. This looks like it goes out into a field. Maybe that's Harvey's field. What's in that picture? Hands holding what, leeches or something? Salamanders. Oh. Ephemeral pond means short-lived or transient. So that's what it meant. It's not a pond year-round, just like right now. Huh. When does it go away? Pretty sure that just goes out to a farm over here. Now whether the trail turns, I don't know. I'm not looking at the map right now. I'm looking at the woods. Well, it definitely came out to the cornfields, but it's also definitely a path. So I'm guessing this will lead me to that 2K sign eventually. I don't know. I wonder if people do racing here or anything, or like special walks. I'm sure they do. This would be a great place for a candlelight hike. I bet they do those here too. The trail is pretty forgiving. Okay. So, observation tower, Harvey's Woods, and we're there. So if we went that way, we would end up at the Farmstead Woods, which I guess is those over there, which is by a building, and there's a truck moving and stuff over there. And then you'd follow it around to the Gangler Woods, which, I don't know, is that? Or is it that over there? So if I wanted to do both, I guess I would keep going this way. Oh, there's somebody, the Stouse Farmstead. I guess that's that place over there. But it could be that over there too. It's probably that one. That makes the most sense. I don't know. Interesting. So it looks like I'm maybe just under halfway. The red link is half a mile. The black link is 1 mile back. So if I want to go another 1.5 miles, I would go that way. It doesn't look like a half a mile. For that matter, it doesn't feel like I've walked a mile to get to here. I guess it'd be half a mile that I got to here. Another half up to there. And 1 mile back that way. And then there's the middle link. Decisions. Do I have enough sunlight to do a whole 1.5 miles right now? Or should I come back and explore that next time? I'm thinking door number 2 for Farmstead Woods. Farmstead Woods is out today. We're going to go to Gangler Woods and maybe, I don't know, maybe hit Johnson's Woods. That looks like it's like across the street or something. I didn't see that. But we'll for sure go over to Gangler Woods and then work our way back. And that'll be about 1 mile instead of 1.5 miles, maybe a little bit less. That's about right for today, I think. So I'm thinking that the blue trail was this guy here, the one that's made of grass. Because this one looks like it goes back to the observation tower. Gangler Woods, huh? Alright, well, let's see where this goes. I kind of like the way the clouds look behind me. I'm hoping it'll pick up now that I've got the video camera on. Every once in a while they are doing kind of cool stuff like that. Pretty neat. So something I like about this stick pick is I can see behind me. I may have mentioned in a previous video that Lily and I got like sneaked up on by a dude that had already creeped us out. And he was like zipped past us because he didn't have a pack on. Scared the bejesus out of both of us. If I had been filming at that time, I'd have seen him coming, and that would have been much less terrifying. But he scared the bejesus out of us for sure. Oh, I'm gonna bring this back around so you can see it. So there's some bridges over here to get us through some of this swamp. As you can see, the steps. This is my second pair of muddy shoes in 2 days. I'm gonna run out of shoes before I run out of work days. I won't be the first time I've worn muddy shoes to work. The mud eventually sort of falls off of them. Yeah, you can clean them, but it seems like once they get muddy, it takes a little while for them to really get clean. I also it seems like the stick pick is making the videos a little bit less jumpy for you. Some Little House on the Prairie kind of stuff. Ducks. Oh, it's got to be golf cart because it came through here. That's the only kind of vehicle would fit over these bridges. Donated by Troop 852 and the Lumen Christi Choir. Thank you, y'all. Appreciate that. Ooh, this is Paul's Pond. The largest, 5 feet deep, and the deepest one on the preserve. It says there's frogs, but I don't hear them. I want to know what they're feeding or nesting. It looks like they're like hand feeding nests to something. Over here, there's one of those things here, and there's one on the other side. Over here. And I don't know what the heck that's all about. I guess we're providing nests for something. Isn't that kind of enabling animals or something and giving them something to expect? Isn't that why we don't feed the animals? Huh. Anyway. Oh, there's a red-winged blackbird flying into the view of the camera. We can't get any closer than that, sorry. But they're pretty. I like those birds. I guess this is that second set of woods. What was it? Garrick's Woods or something? Anyway, here it is. It looks less swampy from here. Guess we'll find out. Ooh, these woods look a little bigger than the last ones. Maybe. I just accidentally discovered that my phone does little emoji faces, or whatever those are called when you give yourself rabbit ears and crap. It's funny. Got interrupted by a phone call asking me to pick up crackers, which is a little bit of a, I don't know, I guess it's a reality kick. Kicks you back into reality. When you're out here walking, you can kind of leave reality for a little bit and just be here. Until someone calls you and says, can you pick up crackers on your way home? I'm actually seeing little bugs flying around right now. It's the first walk I've been on where there's been little bugs flying around my head. I'm not super happy about that. Does not bode well for the rest of the summer. If I've got bugs coming at me now. Pretty sunlight. Sun on my face, yay! Oh, so there's the tower over, what did I do? Miss it? There? Yeah. Right there. Ooh, I'm not very good at that. I'll have to get better at that. And I'm gonna have to get batteries for my little clickety click. It comes with the stick pick comes with like a little picture taker so that I can take pictures when I'm talking at the same time. Like a little orchard or something over here. That's out of battery already. I just got this thing. So I hope that's not representative of how long all the batteries are going to last with this. Because really, it's just a button with a Bluetooth. But we'll see. I am headed back to the car. I don't think that mileage is right. I think I could have made it all the way around with plenty of sunlight because I'm like already within view of the building that I came from. Can you sort of see that back there? But I'm already within view of it. And so, I mean, I don't think I cut out an entire mile from that, but it feels like I've only gone like a quarter mile so far. Huh. My hair keeps getting in my eyes now. I didn't bring my buff. All I got is glasses on my head. Lazy hiking. I feel like an idiot. These things are actually tree identifiers. Like you open them up. And look, white oak. It grows to 85 feet. It's got some room to grow. Yet as wide as it is tall. Really? Does that mean like, probably means the leaves, not the base. Huh. Cool. Somebody left a bag of poop here. Why bag it up if you're just gonna leave it on the ground? At least the poop itself can biodegrade, but not the stupid bag, idiot. Hawthorn. I guess that's what these are. Or maybe that's what they're growing over there. I don't know. Well, I would pick up that bag of poop, but I didn't see any garbage cans out yet. And I'm not putting somebody else's dog poop in my car. So I'm going to have to let the park people do that this time, sadly. I did pick up some bottle caps along my way from other people's messes, but I draw the line that poop if I can't throw it away at the end of the walk before getting into my car. I'm just not okay with that. But honestly, bagging up poop and leaving it there for somebody else to grab is about as rude as I can think of that you could possibly be. What is up with that? What makes people think that that's okay? What are they even thinking? God. These guys haven't been put in the ground yet. They just sort of, I guess, set them out and got them ready to be planted. So it's like they're making a forest. Pretty cool. There's another one. Huh. I think these people really need to read the animal etiquette. I mean, the building's right there. The parking lot's right there. Oh, God. People. I'd rather you leave the poop. I really would. Somebody else thought it was a great idea to put like a Slurpee cup on a post. I'm relatively sure this is not intentional here. That this is just trash and not serving a purpose. Thank you to all of those of you who are extremely rude in the world for giving me a sense of purpose. And my mistake. There is a garbage can up here. At least I think that's what that is. And if that's the case, that makes this poop scene even worse. How can there be 4 things in that direction? Another set of woods, pond overlook, wetlands. Really, I see like a road and a road. There's an intersection. Interesting. Here it is. Garbage can. Huh. Why do people want to mess stuff up? I just don't understand. It's such a pleasant walk. Simple as that, guys. Simple as that. Ooh, look at this place. You see it? That has definitely seen better days. I have sort of a fascination with old barns and other pieces of history like that. And that looks like it counts. Wow. Parking lot is much fuller all of a sudden. Do we have an event going on here that I didn't see anything about? I mean, there was nobody here, and now everybody's here. I wonder if that means it's open on the inside. Or if it just means everybody got off work. I don't see people everywhere. I see my car. Rooftop garden on this side too. Huh. The question's been answered. All of these cars are here for a beekeeper club meeting. That's a whole thing. That's not only a thing, but that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, like 20 cars thing. Yeah? 20 cars worth of beekeepers. Cheers. Crazy.